In this video, I'm going to talk about Ohm's law. I'm going to draw a circuit with a resistor and a battery. Battery is the voltage source here. So V. Current I is flowing through it. Let's say the voltage is 10 volts and the current flowing through it is 1 ampere. I'm going to increase the voltage to 20 volts. That will increase the current through it, let's say 2 amps. I'm increasing it to 30 volts, current 3 amps. So these two quantities are directly proportional. So you can write a relationship between these two, V proportional to I. We're talking about ideal case here. Voltage is directly proportional to current. This is termed as Ohm's law. What does that mean? If you increase the voltage, that would increase the current. If you decrease the voltage, that would decrease the current. Okay, this is a relation, right? I'm going to convert this into an equation. So V proportional to I. We need to remove this proportionality sign. So we need to multiply with a constant. Removing proportionality sign, replacing it with equal sign by multiplying a constant. A constant times current. This constant is resistance. So V equals Ri or V equals IR. This is the general equation for Ohm's law. If you are plotting a graph with voltage on y-axis and current on x-axis, because they are directly proportional, we'll get a straight line with positive slope. Okay, how do you find the slope? This is the equation. Slope equals slope. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Select 2 points, subtract the y coordinates or subtract the x coordinates. That will give you the slope. Okay, so we have V on y-axis. So we are finding delta V over and I on x-axis. So delta V over delta I. From this equation, R equals V over I. So if you are finding slope of a VI graph, you are finding the resistance. This is ideal case and this can be applied only for ohmic resistors. Now let's solve some simple problems. We have a resistor and a battery. And battery is providing 50 volts and the resistor is 5 ohms. How do you find the current in the circuit? Equation of Ohm's law, V equals IR. We need to find the current, so I equals V over R. I equals voltage is 50 volts over resistance is 5. 50 by 5 is 10 amps. So 10 amps current is flowing through the battery. That's the total current in the circuit, 10 amps. Another one, 20 volt battery connected across an unknown resistor. 2 amps current is flowing through it. Let's find the resistance. V equals IR. R equals V over I. Voltage is 20 volts. Current is 2 amps. So 10 ohm. That is the value of the resistance. 10 ohms.